So here's some advanced tips for using the Eyedropper tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start off with the basics. First, you select your Eyedropper tool right here, or by pressing I on the keyboard. And as you probably know, you can sample the colors from an object by clicking on it. But as you can tell, even if I just click the fill right here, which is purple, I will still sample both the purple fill, but also the blue stroke. This might not be what I want. Maybe I just want to sample the blue stroke without the purple fill. So this is where the simple but useful tips come in. Did you know that you can actually just hold down the Shift key while clicking on the color that you want to sample that specific color? And I can also sample the purple fill as a stroke right here, if that is what I want. And if you want to sample one of these colors as a fill instead, you can click the fill, hold down the Shift key, and just click on the color that you like. And the shortcut to switch between the fill and the stroke is simply X on your keyboard, as you can tell right here. This means that if I want the fill to be purple, I can just click down the X to select the fill, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the fill that is purple right here. So if we combine all these small tips, we can actually just select this object right here, and to save our valuable time, we want to use these tips to speed up our process. So let's say I want this stroke to be purple. What I want to do right now is first we click I to select the Eyedropper tool, then to select our stroke over here, we want to click X, and then to sample this specific color, I want to hold down the Shift key and click one time. And that's a very quick way to sample the specific color, because if I just clicked without holding down the Shift key, I would simply sample the entire object with stroke and with the fill. Now the last tip for the Eyedropper tool that you might not know about is that you can actually double click the Eyedropper tool to get a window with the Eyedropper options. And here we can select between what is sampled with the Eyedropper tool. Try out these tips next time you need to sample a color. Now watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.